I see you, I really see you upside down. But my brain knows better. It picks you up and turns you around, turns you around, turns you around. If you feel discouraged when there's a lack of color here, please don't worry, lover. It's really bursting at the seams from absorbing everything. The spectrum's A to Z.
Workers were here at least part of the construction years. Out of that number, we'll say 96 official deaths on the clock, or your death had nothing to do with this place, no death benefit. We've heard stories such as the man having that accident, still breathing, ambulances coming. His co-workers just in concrete, over 43 million people have walked on this floor. What makes it a little special are the designs it has. Each designer picks a different type of use of energy on site. The big round one is a turbine wheel being hit by water. This one here, the side I looked up, can only be around 400 feet or 120 meter depth of plate beam on top of it. Where we are now, we need to go down another 225 meters. So it doesn't matter what state or states we're in, since we're part of the federal government, Department of the Interior. We are the Bureau of Reclamation.
To stay, giving you a reason to stay, giving you a reason to stay, giving you a reason to stay. This is facts, not fiction. For the first
Hoover Dam stands 726 feet tall and stretches 1,244 feet across the top, but only 78 feet across the base. It looks somewhat like a